Hey, welcome to Daily Needs.
Roaches and ants are pests that get into your home even though you don't want them inside. Commercial insecticides, sprays, and bombs contain harmful chemicals that can be harmful to you, your family, and your pets. You can try to kill roaches and ants naturally by making boric acid mixtures and using essential oils. Daily Needs presents, How to Kill Cockroaches and Ants Without Pesticide. Method 1. Killing roaches and ants. Number 1. Make a boric acid and flour solution. This natural roach and ant killer is safe to place in your home and can kill these pests. The flour will attract them, and the boric acid will kill them. Wear gloves when mixing this solution. Mix 1 cup, 120 grams of boric acid with 1 cup, 120 grams of flour. Add enough water to make it into a liquid. Pour the solution in small containers, like bowls or jar lids. Place them around your home in places where ants and roaches will likely be, like under the refrigerator and in the back of kitchen cabinets. You can also place them around outside. You can also soak cotton balls in the solution and set them out instead. Boric acid is toxic, so keep it away from pets and children. Number 2. Mix borax with powdered sugar. Another natural way to kill roaches and ants is to mix borax with powdered sugar. This method works in a similar way to boric acid and flour. Combine 2 parts borax with 1 part powdered sugar. Add 2 to 3 drops of peppermint essential oil to the recipe. Sprinkle the mixture around the places where you have roaches or ants. You can also add water to the solution to make it liquid. Soak a cotton ball in the solution and set out around your home. Number 3. Make a boric acid trap. Take an old, clean plastic container and cut a small hole near the rim. Cut multiple holes if the trap is going to be inside, but only cut one if it is going to be outside. In a bowl, mix 1 cup, 120 grams of borax with 1 cup, 120 grams of sugar. Add water, honey, or bacon grease to make the mixture moist. Shape the mixture into balls and place them on the lid of the plastic container. Snap the bowl into place upside down. Set the trap anywhere ants or roaches will find it. Number 4. Make a solution. Make a baking soda and sugar solution. Another way to kill roaches and ants without pesticide is to use baking soda and sugar. The sugar will attract the bugs, and the baking soda will kill them. Mix 1 part sugar with 1 part baking soda. Place the mixture in small bowls or lids. Set the solution out where roaches or ants are likely to find them. You can place a source of water next to this solution since drinking water will cause the baking soda to work faster. Place the mixture under your refrigerator, in cabinets, or near entrances. Number 5. Make jelly traps. Make traps with petroleum jelly. You can make homemade and non-toxic roach and ant traps with petroleum jelly. Place the jelly in a small bowl. Add sugar or flour to the jelly to attract the roaches and ants. Place these bowls wherever the bugs will have access to them. With this method, you will have to go and empty the traps periodically and lay down new petroleum jelly. Number 6. Try essential oils. Some essential oils can deter ants from your home. Just choose one of these essential oils, place a few drops on a cotton ball, and wipe down any places where ants can get into your home. Try multiple essential oils if you want to make sure that the ants leave you alone. Try peppermint, tea tree, clove, lemon, or orange oil. Number 7. Mix a clove oil insecticide. Clove oil works to kill both ants and roaches. It is a very strong essential oil, so mix it with other substances. Mix 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters purified water with 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters of vodka. Add 15 drops of peppermint essential oil, 15 drops of tea tree oil, and 1 to 3 drops of clove oil. Place the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the oil anywhere that you see ants or roaches. Spray around entrances to your home. Replace the tea tree oil with 15 drops of peppermint oil if you are going to spray on surfaces where you eat. Number 8. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your home. Some people don't like to use boric acid because it can be toxic to people. Diatomaceous earth is not toxic if ingested. To use sprinkle a thin layer of it around the entryways of your home and anywhere you think ants and roaches will be. Number 9. Make a roach spray. Combine 1 part water with 1 part rubbing alcohol, 1 part olive oil, or 1 part distilled white vinegar. Place it in a spray bottle. Each time you see a roach, spray them with your solution. This will coat their shell, and suffocate and kill them. Method 2. Repelling ants. Number 1. Cover your home. Cover openings into your home with cream of tartar. Ants enter your home through cracks when they are searching for food. To keep them out of your home, place cream of tartar across any cracks where they can get inside. This will repel them and keep them out of your home. Number 2. Place natural repellents. Place natural repellents near all entrances. Ants are repelled by many natural household items. Place these items near any entrances to your home to repel ants and keep them from invading your home. Try coffee grounds, garlic, cinnamon, chili peppers, paprika, peppermint, or cloves. Lemons can also repel ants. Squeeze the juice along the entrance and place the peeling on each side of the entrance. Number 3. Plant mint around your home. Ants do not like mint, so having mint around your home will help deter ants from entering. Plus, surrounding your home with mint will make it smell nice. Plant mint plants along your house's foundation to repel ants. You can also put mint plants in pots near entrances to your home. Method 3. Repelling roaches. Number 1. Spread catnip around the house. Catnip has been known to repel cockroaches. Place catnip in small bags or sachets and scatter them through your home. Make sure to place sachets up high, like on shelves, in high cabinets, and on high surfaces. Cockroaches congregate in high places. Number 2. Make a repellent spray. Place catnip in a small amount of water and let it simmer. Then, place this liquid in a spray bottle. Spray this catnip solution on baseboards, in cabinets, under sinks and refrigerators, and anywhere else you have seen roaches. Don't use this spray if you have cats. Number 3. Set out other natural repellents. There are a few substances cockroaches don't like that help repel them. Bay leaves, cucumbers, and garlic have been found to help deter cockroaches from infesting a home. Place these items around your home to get rid of the cockroaches. Bay leaves and garlic won't spoil easily, but cucumbers will. Make sure to place cucumbers in a place where you can remember and easily change them.
If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and also press the bell icon.